Okay, we're recording on both the systems now. We've got the drone going and the Insta360, and we're with the Nomad C1. I'm going to clap to match my audio files when I put the videos together. Okay, let's have a little walk around, see if we make sure that you know, it's sort of following me this way, spotlight, and walking around this way, walking all the way around this way. I don't know if it's going to lose me behind this hedge. There's a possibility it might lose me behind this hedge. The tracking sort of gets lost around these sort of places, but seems to be okay coming around the edge at the moment. So we're coming around the hedge, the bramble, and you know, so yeah, from the looking at that point of view, that's with the Nomad C1 wireless microphone, matching it up to the drone image. Okay. So I'm going to stop both these now. Stop the video first, and now the 360.